सानिया मैम, कैसे हैं आप? आज आप यहाँ पर आए हैं और आपका बैडमिंटन एक एकेडमी आपका यहाँ पे खुल रहा है दोस्ती और रियलिटी में। क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? कितने खुश है, एक्साइटेड है? व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस?
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन एंड मुझे लगता है बैडमिंटन लोग इतना पसंद करते हैं. इट्स बीन लव्ड बाय सो मेनी पीपल एंड एवरीवन प्लेज बैडमिंटन एंड आई थिंक जितने भी एकेडमीज बैडमिंटन के हो वो कम है. एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड कि आज यहाँ पे दोस्ती जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है यहाँ पे अपने एकेडमी ओपन होने वाली है. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू सी के काफ़ी और बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स आए हमारी कंट्री से, और वो कैसे पॉसिबल होगा, वो सोसाइटी से पॉसिबल होगा, देन ऑफ कोर्स द प्रोफेशनल लेवल. तो अगर इतने जैसे ये खुल रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतने सारे जो प्लेयर्स यहाँ से निकल के आएंगे एंड दे विल बी फ्यूचर चैम्पियंस. सो इट्स so nice to see that I'm here today going to open such a big academy, and I really want to see कि यहाँ पे भी और प्रोफेशनल एथलीट्स आए जो साइना जैसे, सिंधु जैसे, प्रणय जैसे बनना चाहे. एंड इन द फ्यूचर वी विल ऑल हैव देम प्लेइंग एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल. तो और क्या खुशी होगी मुझे. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी हियर टुडे एंड आई होप कि और भी ऐसे कॉम्प्लेक्स खुले फ्यूचर में.
अनुज सर, आपके मन में कैसे आइडिया है कि मल्टीपल स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी आप आपके इस दोस्ती रियलिटी में ओपन करें और जो आपके जो कस्टमर्स है या जिनके होम है, जिनके घर है, उन्हें इसका लाभ उठाए? कैसे आपके मन में ये ख्याल आया? इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट
ये एक्चुअली ये ख्याल हम बरसों से एज अ कंपनी फ़िलॉसफी मेंटेन करते रहे हैं. हमारे सबसे ओल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है इन वडाला एंड सायन, दोस्ती एकर्स एंड दोस्ती फ्लेमिंगो, 2003 और 2005 के बीच में, उधर भी वी डिलीवर्ड द फर्स्ट क्लब हाउस अक्रॉस मुंबई. एंड वी वर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी प्राउड ऑफ अवरसेल्व्स दैट वी वन मैनी अवार्ड्स हमारे क्लब्स के लिए. एंड हर एक क्लब में वी बिलीव के स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट लाइफस्टाइल एम्यूनिटीज़ देने चाहिए ताकि कस्टमर्स कैन थरली एन्जॉय देम. एंड दोस्ती का स्ट्रेंथ है कि हम एवरी टाइम कंपनी की लैंड खरीदती है फॉर डेवलपमेंट, तो कस्टमर के लिए एक बड़ा सा लेआउट बन सके कि नॉट जस्ट उनके घर में तो जो भी संस्था हो वो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन वन डजंट नीड टू गो आउट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स टू एन्जॉय अ स्विम और बैडमिंटन, टेबल टेनिस एंड सो ऑन. सो इन टुडेज hustle bustle of Mumbai lifestyle, people don't have time. Time being a very valuable asset for all of us. We endeavor कि हमारे हर एक प्रोजेक्ट में we try to give world class amenities in the project ताकि customer can easily enjoy it just at a footsteps away from his house.
इसके पहले भी आप फिटनेस को लेकर मिलिंद सोमन सर के साथ आपने जिम वगैरह ओपन की थी, तो क्या लगता है कि आपने एकदम थॉट प्रोसेस कर लिया है कि जो आपके जो कस्टमर्स हैं जिनके घर यहाँ पे हो उनकी हेल्थ मेंटेन रहे और एक अच्छी कम्युनिटी बिल्डअप हो? इज दिस व्हाट योर थॉट?
Correct. We would definitely like that all our customers, even our staff members at Dosti lead a healthy and wellness oriented lifestyle. So उसके लिए we believe कि in all our projects we would like to deliver top class sporting infrastructure, and even creating sporting infrastructure encourages openness amongst the community. जो kids get to enjoy with the grandparents, कभी the parents have a small social outing in the amphitheater or while playing a game of badminton. Not necessarily everybody wants to play it professionally, but when one gets into a sport, the dedication, determination, grit जिससे हम खेल खेलते हैं उससे हमारे काम में भी improvements होता है. So we encourage a healthy work-life balance for our. We try to provide whatever max we can ताकि our customers can also enjoy something very nice.
सो श्रद्धा जी, आपसे सवाल ये है कि किस तरह के चैलेंजेस फेस किए, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स की एम्यूनिटीज़ बिल्डअप करने इट्स नॉट एन ईजी थिंग. सानिया मैम है या मिलिंद सोमन सर है, कैसे मन में ख्याल आया, क्या चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए? टू टॉक अबाउट दैट.
जी, चैलेंजेस तो बहुत सारी थी, पर यू नो देयर वाज वन थिंग, वी हैड अ वेरी गुड गोल एंड अ विजन टू लाइफ, एंड वी हैड अ वेरी आवर मेन गोल वाज टू प्रोवाइड कस्टमर्स द अल्टीमेट होलिस्टिक स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ कम्युनिटी लिविंग. चैलेंजेस मेनली हमारी थोड़ी टाइम ड्यूरेशन की थी. दूसरी कि यू नो एवरीबडी नोज दोस्ती वेस्ट काउंटी इज़ 100+ acre township, so building a club before time, before giving the residents its possession did take a lot from our end with our engineers and all our consultants. Another thing, there was a lot of concrete and cement wastage material used, and in order to just fraction it at a very good pace. We had to really play well on our logistics. Our entire project planning logistics for the clubhouse had to be speed up. And another thing was that despite having the club ready at this point, the entire township is not ready. So while having this fancy club put out here and still having a lot of like pollution and dust control procedures put in around, that has been slightly challenging from our end, because eventually the customer's duty and responsibility is completely in the promoter's end of those things. So sometimes, you know, these safety measures were a very big challenge, and they till date are. But you know, at the same time, a couple other things that have played out well is that customers, we may be one of the only few developers who are giving customers their amenities and clubhouses before giving possession of a flat also. So that also is a very big booster, because eventually everybody, the main thing everybody wants is timely possession delivery of in their house and all their surroundings.
Saina, what do you think about their thoughts about opening sports facilities, amenities? What do you think? क्या हर बिल्डिंग या हर कंस्ट्रक्शन जो करते हैं वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए? जो हाउस लेते हैं उनको कितना फ़ायदा होगा इस सब चीज़ों से? क्या
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो उन्होंने सही बोला कि टाइम बहुत कम है इंडिया में। जो देखते हैं आप, काफ़ी हमारे पास इंजीनियर्स और डॉक्टर्स हैं, काफ़ी बिजनेसमैन हैं, लेकिन स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनस कम हैं। और हमें चाहिए कि ऐसे ही अगर सोसाइटी में इतने प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे कुछ बन रहा है, दैट्स व्हेन यू विल सी कि कुछ अच्छे प्लेयर्स आए वहाँ से। अदरवाइज़ काफ़ी जगहों पे आई हैव सीन पर्सनली, मेरे कम्युनिटी में भी है, जो चल रहा है, मतलब इट्स ओके, एवरीवन कैन गो एंड प्ले, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट प्रोफेशनल लेवल। अभी आपने देखा बैडमिंटन प्रोज को लेके आए हैं, वो इट्स नॉट ईजी टू गेट समवन दैट हाई लेवल इमीडिएटली। अगर एक आप कम्युनिटी खोल रहे हो तो वहाँ पे बच्चे को क्या पता होगा पहले रैकेट पकड़ना है या क्या, उसका फ्यूचर क्या है उसने सोचा भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ द किड। सो उन्होंने हमारे साथ बैडमिंटन प्रोज के साथ हम ज्वाइन किया है ताकि वो बेस्ट कोचेज़ ला सके और बच्चे को स्टार्ट ही ऐसा कर सके कि उसकी थिंकिंग हो कि मैं बेस्ट प्लेयर वर्ल्ड में बन सकूँ। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव थाट, एंड आई एम श्योर कि इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है एंड काफ़ी अदर कम्युनिटी इनको देखेगी, सीखेगी इनसे। तो हमारे पास पूरे इंडिया में आई एम श्योर स्लोली ऐसा कल्चर बन जाएगा कि अपने घर से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए जो नॉलेज है किसी भी चीज़ का। एंड लेटर ऑन यू विल सी कि जैसे मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था कि एक दिन मैं बैडमिंटन प्लेयर बन जाऊँगी, बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई डेंट हैव एनी वन लाइक यू नो। अभी हम आप देख सकते हैं इतने सारे प्लेयर्स टॉप 50 में हैं बैडमिंटन में, बट वो टाइम पे तो हम फर्स्ट राउंड्स भी नहीं जीतते थे। एंड just because of my mom's thought कि इसको कुछ बनाना है at the highest level, and today I am here because of one person's belief at that point of time। तो वहाँ पे तो कम्युनिटी में क्या सीमेंट कोर्ट पे खेलते थे, नी तुड़वा लोगे आप, अपने एंकल तुड़वा लोगे, बट आज इतने प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे आपके पास वुडन कोर्ट है, इतने हाईली मतलब आपने किस जगह से, मतलब मलेशिया से मंगवाया होगा या जो भी बेस्ट है जहाँ से वुड जो मिलता है, ताकि वो सॉफ्ट रहे, हमारे नीज पे सॉफ्ट रहे और प्लेयर और लंबा खेल सके। तो वैसा वो टाइम पे थॉट नहीं था, अभी बढ़ रहा है क्योंकि स्पोर्ट इज़ ग्रोइंग, एवरीवन वांट्स टू प्ले, एज आई सेड, सब खेलना चाहते हैं बैडमिंटन। इट्स जस्ट दैट हमारे पास उतने कोर्ट्स नहीं थे, बट अभी डेवलप हो रहा है और बेटर हो रहा है। साउथ में तो आई थिंक बैडमिंटन डोमिनेट कर रहा है लाइक एनीथिंग, वी हैव थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कोर्ट, बट मुंबई में चाहिए और नॉर्थ में चाहिए ताकि हम और भी आगे बढ़ सके। एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ द स्टार्ट, ऐसे ही स्टार्ट होता है एंड इट्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट। सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक दोस्ती ग्रुप फॉर थिंकिंग सो वेल अबाउट द अपकमिंग मतलब जनरेशन एंड द प्लेयर्स, एंड आई एम श्योर यहाँ से भी कोई बड़ा चैम्पियन बन गया, व्हाट एल्स वी नीड, यू नो।
विजय सर, क्या आपका टेक है इस पूरी चीज़ों पर, और बैडमिंटन दोस्ती कितना कुछ फ़ायदा देश को होगा, और दोस्ती काउंटी का जो ये पूरा एक पहल है, क्या कहना चाहिए इस बारे में?
So firstly, I think it's a very welcome move that you know, ऐसे बड़े groups are investing into sport, you know. Like when we have grown up, you know, it was so difficult to reach a place, then start playing badminton or any other sport. So I think firstly for any resident here, you know, there are a lot of opportunities, not just badminton. मतलब काफ़ी है, जिम है, health fitness के लिए sports है. So I think it's that is exposure is very good, you know, and the advantage of having an academy like us is we are in the process of creating champions. Of course, not everybody has to become a champion, but it's important to start playing. लेकिन वो एक process होता है, champion कैसा बन सकते हैं. So that we have gone through that process ourselves as players, and we also run coaching academies across the country. And with Saina's mentorship and support, you know, we want to ensure that any child who wants to become a champion, wants to take sports seriously, we will provide that pathway, you know, for them. And the tie-up with Dosti Group, of course, you know, the vision, I mean, Mumbai mein land, of course, everyone knows is so premium and land available nahi, and, you know, the Dosti Group is investing into sports, into, I mean, they could have built maybe more facilities, right? But, so I think that's a very welcome move when, you know, such big groups are thinking about sport, and that just encourages academies like us that we are going in the right direction.
To take on this whole thing और साने मैम आ जाए है कितना privilege और कितना proud feel कर रहे हैं आप?
So by the way, I'm Nitin Nagpal, Director Sales Marketing. So I just want to say one thing that, you know, Dosti West County is a large planned township. And ये thought तब आया कि जब इतने सारे लोग यहाँ रहेंगे, then obviously we have to give them more than what we have promised to them. And badminton court, सारे other amenities, सारे लोग सारे अदर कॉम्प्लेक्स में इंजॉय कर सकते हैं, बट वी थॉट वी वांट टू गिव समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग मोर प्रोफेशनल, एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वी हैव साइना विद अस ऑन बोर्ड.
साइना, ओलंपिक्स इज अराउंड द कॉर्नर. किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है? इफ यू शेयर समथिंग अबाउट योर,
मतलब जो आई एम श्योर मेरा तो इस बार इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई आर्थराइटिस एंड आई हैव ट्राइड माई लेवल बेस्ट. और जो मैंने 25 ईयर्स अपने गेम को दिया, आई लुक बैक एंड आई एम लाइक रियली हैप्पी विद वॉट ऑल आई हैव अचीव्ड. बट नाउ the team which is going, I would like to congratulate them. They have worked really hard, and definitely there are a lot of chances this time to get a gold as well. Apna Satvik Chirag really strong, and we have Pranoy, we have Sindhu. So I would like to congratulate all of them, and I look forward to the Olympics. I want to see not only badminton but all the other sports. Of course, Neeraj Chopra is one more strong contender for getting a gold medal. So let's see how it goes, and
and just please.
जी बताइए.
Just recently India won World Cup T20. So
अरे वाह, obviously, yeah.
Proud and happy you are, like.
Cricket is everywhere, anyways. तो उनको तो हम भूल नहीं सकते हैं. Big congratulations to them for winning the World Cup, and कल मैंने देखा उनका celebration भी काफ़ी अच्छा किया गया. I hope दूसरे sports को भी ऐसे encouragement मिले. Then I think we are no less, because in top 50, as I said, we are almost 10-15 players. And badminton is the second most loved sport after cricket. And I just hope कि in future हमें भी वैसा welcome मिला तो आप लोग ही बढ़ा सकते हैं future में और champions. तो देखते हैं.
आखिर में दोस्ती ग्रुप को क्या बेस्ट विशेस रहेंगी, और जो लोग आपको देख रहे हैं उन्हें क्या मैसेज रहेगा जो आपकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं?
मैं दोस्ती ग्रुप को यही मतलब बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो आपने स्टेप लिया है, इट्स अ वेरी बिग स्टेप, बिकॉज टू प्रमोट sports is very important, and what you have done is really really big, because I can see a lot of youngsters want to play badminton. मुझे इंस्टा पे इतने मैसेजेस आते हैं, फेसबुक पे आते हैं, दीदी एकेडमीज़ नहीं मिल रहे हैं, हमें खेलना है. बट नाउ व्हेन दे हैव सच बिग professional sports facilities here in the society itself, I'm sure यहाँ पे तो काफ़ी हद तक लड़के लड़कियाँ खेल पाएंगे बैडमिंटन. and I hope in the future जैसे यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हुआ है, I would like to see it happening in lot more societies and lot more academies, ताकि easy हो प्लेयर को, struggle ना हो, and they like how I travel 25 kilometers up and down to get a proper facility. I don't want people to face that. जब इतना पॉपुलर हो गया है कोई स्पोर्ट, तो आई थिंक घर घर में मिलना चाहिए सब फैसिलिटी. इट शुड बी मच मोर ईजियर. वी आर गोइंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, एंड होपफुली इन द नेक्स्ट 10-15 ईयर्स और ईजी हो जाएगा. सो बिग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू दोस्ती ग्रुप, एंड आई एम श्योर बैडमिंटन प्रोज विल डू their level best to get the best coaches, and I am here to motivate a lot of youngsters and tell them कैसे champion बनना है, and I am there with the youngsters. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. Well, I hope we are done with the media question and answers. Yes, photos we are going to have after the panel discussion. So for the panel discussion, I would want to invite Mr. Ankit Damle, our moderator. And right here we have Mr. Nitin Nagpal, Director, Sales and Marketing. Please, a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Nitin. And right here we have Mr. Ankit Damle. And we will go on with the panel discussion.
Good morning, everyone. I think it's a privilege to be on the same stage as Saina. And thanks to the media, you all have pretty much covered everything that I wanted to ask them, but I'll still try to do this. Saina, how does it feel to be in Thane? And Thane district has been very strong in badminton in Maharashtra, especially. A lot of players like Akshay Devalkar especially have come and gone to represent India as well. So, what is your vision, sir, you as well? what is your vision for badminton pros to be in Thane, and what do you see? Where do you see this going?
So I played my first tournament in 2001 or 2 here in Thane, and I was playing the under 13 singles doubles, under 16 singles doubles, under 19 singles doubles, and I won all of them. And that happened for 2-3 years. So those are my memories in Thane, and such wonderful memories because I used to just play from 9 a.m. till 12 in the night. I was just on the courts, and मम्मी बाहर जाके immediately मेरे लिए खाना लेके आती थी, juice लेके आती थी, because there was not enough time to go out as well. There were so many matches happening. So the memories here are very, very nice, and I used to play with lot more players from Thane as well. काफ़ी लड़कियाँ खेलती थी मेरी जो मेरे colleagues थी वहाँ यहाँ से, and इतने सारे competition जीते, and today I can see that उस टाइम पे एक ही स्टेडियम है, उसका नाम आई डोंट रिमेंबर नाउ, बट नाउ yes I was playing there, and now you see the बैडमिंटन का इम्प्रूवमेंट देखे कि इतने सारे लोग खेलना चाह रहे हैं, इतने सारी सोसाइटी में कोर्ट्स आ गए हैं, एंड मुंबई इज़ सच ए सिटी जहाँ पे बैडमिंटन को इतने सारे लोग जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स आई नो कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा कम खेला जाता है, बट इतना इंटरेस्ट है ना, and this shows that they want to play, but ऐसे facilities कम थे, and now with Dosti Group opening it, and now we coming in and making it at the professional level, and जो I would also want to say कि और ऐसे academies आ जाए यहाँ पे, जैसे stadiums बड़े बड़े, then it will become much more easier, because it's nowadays आप देखिए बाहर के coaches भी आ रहे हैं help करने के लिए, players बनाने के लिए. In Hyderabad and Bangalore, that's what is happening, and if that happens in Mumbai and Delhi, of course जो main cities हैं, then slowly it will start growing in other places as well. तो यहाँ पे और interest अगर बढ़ा, तो I'm sure in the future it will be much more easier कि game को हम कैसे पूरे इंडिया तक पहुँचाए. But for now, Thane I think has given me such warm welcome again after so many years. इतना अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके, and आज हम यहाँ पे एक बड़ा academy खोलने जा रहे हैं, तो it's all positive. I'm very happy and proud. Yeah.
That's great to hear, I think, for everyone. Vijay sir, any words from you, your vision for what you see the academy doing here, and what are the plans?
Yeah, so as Saina said, playing in, I'm from Mumbai, so I understand, what it means to be a player. Not a very easy city after a certain level, in terms of travel, getting right sparring. And we have a lot of players from Mumbai who actually are in our academy in Bangalore. So after a certain stage, I think the players have to come out of Mumbai. But I think now, with more infrastructure coming, with big groups supporting sport and badminton, I think it becomes easier for more people to pursue their sport. And maybe after a very high level, you have to move to the academies where champions are produced. But to a certain extent, to a large stage, Mumbai can itself produce so many champions. And we are here to, help in the process for a lot of students who are interested, who want to at least think of pursuing your career in badminton, and we are there to support them.
That's amazing. I'd like to come to Anuj sir. Anuj sir, for most developers, building the project, handing over and exiting is usually the business strategy. But you guys seem to be having a way where you all are trying to build health, wellness, fitness, active living into the community within the residents. And that's a very bold move for any developer to do. So I was wondering, what was the inspiration behind, having all these multi-facility areas within residential complexes, and how that adds value to y'all as an organization as well?
Definitely, as I mentioned that Dosti is known for providing top-notch clubhouse and top-notch world-class infrastructure to all our residents to enjoy. Particularly for this project, Dosti West County is a 105-acre land parcel, and what we are currently selling are 3 phases out of the proposed 9 to 10 phases. We have a long way to go at this site. We have only finished about 25-30% of our total construction, and what we want is for future customers to come and envisage and actually experience how the residents are living in phase 1 and phase 2. So for them to take a decision to buy in the future phases is much simpler compared to just selling on pen and paper. So we as a vision and as a developer, We were the first developer in 2005 to inaugurate a clubhouse at Dosti Acres in New Vadala at the hands of HDFC then chairman Mr. Deepak Parekh, when he personally had come and along with our seniors and grandfather, he had cut the ribbon for that clubhouse. Following that, the clubhouse culture became prevalent all across Mumbai, Thane, Pune. And we are proud to say that we would like to maintain that. We are still maintaining it, and for our future projects even down the line, we will continue to deliver top-class, world-class infrastructure which all the residents can enjoy without having the need to visit a public park or club that's maybe a few hours away from their house.
Thank you so much. I think that's a big step towards making India more of a sports playing nation than just a sports watching nation. And I think all of you will agree with me that if we have to win more and more medals, I think at the base, getting more participation will be the first step towards building that sort of pyramid to the top where more champions are produced. Shraddha ma'am, I had one question for you. What was the reason for you all to choose Elysium Clubs and Badminton Pros as your partners for this project?
I think Elysium in general, firstly, you know, before I even start to talk on how great they are, we would like to thank them for giving us a vision also when we started off with the project launch last year, wherein they came up to us and they showed us this amazing concept that they could play out in all our clubhouses, and as such they could create this. They could help us create a better standard of living along with all their tie-ups and the amenities they are providing for all our customers. Our main vision was in general, as you know, we have mentioned it a couple times, that we've had only one goal: to provide people the most amazing and holistic standard of living where they don't need an escape from life, they don't need a vacation, they don't need to get out of their routines. They have everything ready for them right at their doorstep as soon as they are home, where people don't have to get worried about their families, be it their spouses, be it their kids, be it their parents. Everything is going to be provided here. Elysium helped us gather a bunch of new amenities which they had from their end. At the same time, they gave us very great tie-ups with, like, you know, the most celebrities from all, the sports celebrities from all around India, which in general is a very good attraction factor for a lot of people, because, you know, they are our role models, and today if you don't follow a role model, there's no inspiration from within to do something. So in general, Elysium just worked out a great strategy, not only for Dosti West County, but we have another 125 plus acre project in Thane, Dosti Greater Thane. They gave us a greater vision there as well. And yeah, I would say that, you know, they are good. Club Elysium itself is also expanding far and wide all around, and I do wish them also a lot of success, because they have made us succeed. All our residents are very happy with them. Our clubhouses are getting maintained also very well along with them, and as such, you know, yeah, it's just working out very well as a business partner too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Saina and Vijay sir, I had one more question for you all. So what do you think are the main factors behind building a high performance badminton academy? And you know, Badminton Pros is now across multiple centers, and also your partnership with Elysium, how has that sort of helped you in the growth phase for the academy as well?
So Badminton Pros has the vision of providing a pathway for all the players, and it depends on whatever their goal is. They could just start playing badminton, play at a certain level, maybe then just continue for health and fitness. But for the students who actually want to become champions, there is a pathway which we have ourselves gone through, and we would like you know, everyone to benefit from that. And we are a coaching academy, and the partnership with Elysium, I mean, they give us facilities, they give us infrastructure so that we can focus on our goal, which is, you know, producing champions, or focusing a lot on the coaching. So I think the partnership is very good. They give us the space to do the coaching through their tie-ups, and you know, we focus on the curriculum, the methodology, training the coaches, which eventually will give a good experience to the people who undergo coaching with us. So I think it's a very good you know, initiative, and we are thankful to Dosti Group, also Elysium for giving us this opportunity. And I think with this vision, we will continue moving into having meaningful partnerships across, which will eventually benefit the students.
हाँ, जैसे विजय ने बोला, आई थिंक और क्या चाहिए जब आपके पास सब कुछ है, यू नो, इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, वी यूज्ड टू स्ट्रगल, बट हमारे ऑब्वियसली दिल में था कि हमें कुछ बनना है, तो वी यूज्ड टू टेक दैट चैलेंज एंड गो फॉर 25-30 किलोमीटर्स एवरी डे. बट अब सब कुछ आपको मिल रहा है, देन आई थिंक मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज इट्स मच मोर ईजियर नाउ. वाई डू हैव टू स्ट्रगल सो मच जब सब साथ में है, क्योंकि कभी कभी ना जो पास में होता है उसकी कद्र नहीं होती है, आई फील. बट नाउ व्हेन यू हैव एवरीथिंग विद यू, आई कैन ओनली से go there, practice and practice. I know not everyone can become champion, but why not try it out, you know. After 10th you can take a call. और मैंने खुद ने 5 दिन अटेंड किया होगा स्कूल, स्टिल आई गॉट 70% इन CBSE. तो ऐसा फेल तो नहीं होगा कोई भी, बट ट्राई योर लेवल बेस्ट, दैट्स व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनो, क्योंकि जब चाइना लेके आ सकता है 70-80 मेडल्स और हम लोग 3-4 पे अटके हुए हैं, आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट दैट द इंटरेस्ट हैज़ टू ग्रो. एंड नाउ व्हेन यू हैव सच big professional centers near you, why not just go and try it out? I'm not only saying about badminton, but इतने सारे sports है जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Go there, be a sports person and keep yourself fit, that is important. And later on, of course, you can choose. आपको क्या choose करना है after 10th, 11th. I know it's very difficult for most of the parents also, but अगर parents ने risk नहीं लिया तो बच्चे ने नहीं लिया. So first it's going to be parents, because those are the people who can show you the right way at the age of 9, 10 and 11 when you don't know what to do. Of course, पापा मेरे scientist हैं, तो I used to be like मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे ये बनना है, वो बनना है. But my mom had a vision कि इसको Olympic medalist बनाना है, world number 1 बनाना है. So I think when you follow your parents' routine and थोड़ा सा पिटाई हो जाती है, गाली मिल जाती है, that's okay, that's part of life. But आज if I look back and see उन्होंने जो सोचा मुझे बनाया, and I am Saina Nehwal, so many people want to be like me, बैडमिंटन चैम्पियन बनना चाहते हैं. So what is more bigger than this, you know? Please, when you have such big things around you, make use of it. And 10 नहीं बन पाए, ज़रूर 2-3 ज़रूर बनेंगे. And I am sure of it, because I have seen in last 25-30 years जितना भी हमने खेला, मेरे जो colleagues हैं, सब के सब बहुत मेहनत करी, लेकिन 10-15 of them have really done well and reached the top 50 level. तो it's possible, just belief रहना चाहिए. And with you know, I'm so thankful to Dosti Group for doing this, and it's just the start. And I hope the दूसरे societies हैं वो भी इनसे सीखें और इतनी अच्छी जो sports facilities हैं लेके आए future generation के लिए, क्योंकि आधा टाइम फ़ोन पे घुसे रहते हैं. थोड़ा सा I think life outside phone should be good for the body. Yeah.
I think as Saina said, her mother is also here, and we owe it to her then that Saina didn't become a doctor and broke the pathway to become.
काफ़ी है हमारे पास.
Anuj sir, we keep having these discussions, you know, about how participation in sports leads to character building, and just that India is going to be the largest, youngest working population in the next 10-20 years. So you yourself have been an Ironman athlete, and you know, what do you think? What are your views on just playing everyday active living for people in India, leading healthier, better lifestyles? And how do you think sports contributes to that in the workforce as well?
We have seen on average, the average Mumbaikar or Thanekar spends roughly 5 to 6 hours in a month on physical fitness and wellness, be it in the gym or doing some sporting activities. In a month, we have been doing a couple of surveys, and that is maybe less than 1% of the time you get in a month. We believe that we need to increase the amount of hours. Although both the cities are bustling and constantly occupied, we need to spend more time, more energy. And I myself, from my personal journey, have been involved in sports from a young age. And what I've seen is, by spending more time towards sports, you can prioritize things. It helps you manage your tasks in a more efficient manner. You can also stick to a schedule, and that schedule can be for an event, or it can be for a project completion, it can be for a club completion, It can be for achieving a milestone at Dosti. So be it you achieve a sports milestone or a work milestone or a personal milestone, it instills a sense of dedication and inspiration. And especially having Saina with here us today and the Badminton Pros Academy, I would like to not remind, but I'm sure all of us know that Saina is a prestigious bronze medalist at the Olympic Games in 2012 in London. And she even reached the title of world number 1 for a couple of years. So having her and Vijay sir along with us at the project will be a constant source of inspiration and motivation for all the upcoming athletes and parents out here, to encourage them, as Saina rightly said, to take the leap of faith and put the children where the path is correct. And as she said, say after the 10th or 12th, it is their decision if they want to pursue it further or no.
Thank you so much. I think we're a little short on time and we need to move towards the inauguration. I have one last question for Saina before we head out. There's a lot of young kids here who look up to you as an inspiration. Any kind of message you want to give the kids? Just whatever you would like to say to them, and a little bit to the parents also. As an athlete, people who are training, I think you should give a message to the parents also as to how they should support the kids in their sports journey.
I think with my experience, I can only tell a few things to you. Like, to parents first, एक पेरेंट को तो पागल होना पड़ेगा to make champion, दोनों पेरेंट्स काम करते हैं आजकल, बिजी रहते हैं, I understand. But to make a champion, you need to give full time to the kid. That is what is challenging nowadays. But I'm sure अगर आप dedicated हैं, if you really want your kid to become something, तो एक को तो sacrifice करना ही पड़ेगा, जैसे मेरी मम्मी ने किया. And पापा of course थे पीछे से, अच्छा खेल बेटा, अच्छा खेल. But मम्मी ने हमेशा एक belief रखा, मुझे हमेशा जितना भी जीतती थी, she used to be like, you have to achieve a lot more. तो ऐसे एक खुन्नस वाला आदमी होना चाहिए आपके साथ, जो तो आपको कुछ बना सके. And to kids out there, first of all to girls, don't be so girly. Come out, make yourself little bit like strong girl, be a champion. Think in your mind that you are a champion, be a sports person. And studies तो चलते रहेंगे, उसके बाद जो आपने achieve किया वो आपकी destiny है. But just go out there, do your running, do your gymming. Very important to lift some weights, make yourself strong. Do the ab work, do the routine. मतलब 5-6 घंटे महीने का क्या होता है, physical activity. You should just go all out there for 1-2 hours. It will keep your mind fresh. It will keep you active. जो दूसरी चीज़ें भी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए भी आपको active रखेगा. So for the kids here, I can just say, you are young. You have a lot of time ahead of you. जो भी आपको बनना है, sit and think, discuss with your parents. As I said, 10th, 11th के बाद of course you can take your decision, but before that just try it out. क्यों नहीं बन सकते हैं हम champions. You just have to get out of your house and spend some time on the court or on the field, and just make yourself used to sports. And एक बार आपको अच्छा लगा ना, क्योंकि मुझे भी थोड़ा time लगा. Initially I was also like, क्यों भेज रहे हैं मुझे अपने friends के साथ खेलना है. But after 2-3 months I realized, when you win tournaments, when you come back winning those medals, it feels so special. Your parents are so proud of you. That's what you need. Later on, जब आप थोड़ा high level पे खेलते हो, then you learn yourself. Then you want to do something for yourself, for sure. After certain age, when you realize कि क्या चल रहा है मेरे आसपास. But initially I can only say to the young ones like 6 साल के हैं, जो 7 साल के हैं, जाओ खेलो. खेलना is very important. Keep your mind fresh. आपको पढ़ाई में भी easy होगा, आपको खाने में भी अच्छा लगेगा. नहीं तो बिना वर्कआउट करके आई थिंक खाना भी नहीं पचता है. वो तो आई डोंट नो, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आई फील कि खाना भी नहीं है, यू पुट ऑन वेट. बट अगर आप वर्कआउट करेंगे, यू फील सो गुड, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन हैव वॉट एवर यू लाइक. सम डेज यू कैन चीट एज वेल. बट आई डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट टू सी लॉट मोर यंग प्लेयर्स टू कम इन टू स्पोर्ट्स, चाहे वो क्रिकेट हो, बैडमिंटन हो, बॉक्सिंग हो, रेसलिंग हो. कम आउट, प्ले, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. आप पोडियम पे खड़े हो मेडल के साथ, पूरा इंडिया आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है, उससे अच्छा फीलिंग, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. बिकॉज दैट्स लाइक सर्विंग योर नेशन. आप आर्मी में नहीं जा सके या ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सके, बट इट्स लाइक सर्विंग योर नेशन. क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि एक आर्मी जैसा कुछ करूँ मैं, और मैं कंट्री के लिए स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ कर पाई. आई थिंक दैट्स रियली ह्यूज, एंड सो मेनी पीपल लुक अप टू यू, एंड इट्स ग्रेट. सो पेरेंट्स को ये बोल सकते हो, इससे बड़ा फीलिंग कुछ नहीं है. देखिए जोकोविच को, देखिए रोजर फेडरर को. कुछ कम ही लोग होते हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन होते हैं और पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेमस होते हैं. डॉक्टर, साइंटिस्ट पापा भी है, घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं. सो आई जस्ट लिटिल बिट आई एम सपोर्टिव फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स, बट ज़रूर उनको ट्राई करें कि वो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बन सके. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you, thank you. I think we'll be proceeding now towards the court inauguration.
Just 1 minute. Right here, we have the presence of two legends here with us. We would want to felicitate them, and we have both the directors of Dosti Realty here with us. So, right here, we have Saina Nehwal with us, requesting Shraddha Goradia and Anuj Goradia to felicitate them with this beautiful bouquet of flowers and keep the claps going. We also have with us the very amazing coach, Mr. Vijay Lansi, and we would again want to felicitate him with his bouquet of flowers. Also, we have the presence of a beautiful mother, and she has given birth to this legend right here with us. We have Usha Nehwal with us. Please, ma'am, come up on stage. We would also want to felicitate you with this beautiful bouquet of flowers. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. And now, since we are all waiting to click some pictures with our legendary badminton players, so please, whoever that wants to click pictures, Mr. Jay Vora along with Mr. Nitin Nagpal for a group picture.